In recent years, Central Asian nations have been accelerating the pace of digital transformation within their manufacturing sectors. This trend is particularly pronounced in the tobacco industry, where increasingly stringent demands are being placed on the stability of production, data acquisition, and adaptability to industrial environments. This project is for a large-scale local tobacco manufacturer. Following our discussions, the client forwarded a specifications requirements, detailing their specific expectations for this industrial panel PC. Ultimately, the project formally confirmed the product model as TPCD-CT170T2. From the project consultant to sample testing, the entire deploy process took less than a month. The Taicenn panel PC was installed at a monitoring station within the tobacco processing workflow, where it serves to collect real-time data from humidity sensors and temperature modules, while simultaneously displaying the production line's operational status via the ME system interface. If your production line is looking for stable and reliable panel PC solutions, we invite you to reach out to us at any time.